Okay, so this is how you look when there are lots of flies. Yeah.
Nagtatambay sila sa net mo.
Just saying, yeah, nagtatambay sila sa net. How are you going? Yeah. And we're still walking. We're still walking. Yep. We're still walking. We're still walking. And yeah, we're still walking. How do you like my outfit? It's cool, right? Yeah. No confirmation. Hey, check out the waterfalls up there. It's so nice, right? It's nice. Yeah, yeah. We gotta keep on going because we're still around 4 to 5 kilometers away. I don't know what you're saying. Oh, hello there, guys. Okay. So yeah, this is just like the wave rock. Water from above. So lots of flies now. Water from above is going to go down. It's going to form this one here, this rock formation. And yeah, just like a Perth wave rock, but it's just small and it's not like, yeah, it's not massive as the ones from Perth, but it's just great. And people are so near it, some of them touch it. This is Sacred Rock. I don't know. That part there, I'm gonna need some more light. That part there is a bit cracked. You see that? Yeah. Tatipak. Korea and ULURU. One good place here is I forgot the name of this place, but yeah, there's a lot of flies everywhere. But yeah, you can see that part there. Water's gonna flow there, so yeah, it's awesome. Just want to stay here and take some photos, and it's good. But yeah, there's a lot of flies right now. So you can just sit down and putting my camera on a chair, chill, relax, and look at the view. Awesome, right? Check it out. Okay, so I'm heading to the parking lot right now. Might have Laura stay in one parking lot, and I'm gonna walk 2 kilometers, or I don't know if she's gonna go with me. I'm gonna walk 2 more kilometers to the car, and then head to the next mountains, or maybe mountains. Head to the next mountain, and yeah, or we're gonna go home because we still have a tour tonight. It's a Field of Light tour. It's gonna be awesome. I'll try to get good photos tonight, but I'm not sure if I can. But anyway, check out that rock there. Broken rocks. Yep. Look at those caves. That rock over there, it's balancing. I don't know if it's clear, but that rock there is like standing on its own. Yep, that rock. Nice rock formations over there and everywhere. You agree with me? Yeah. So, yep, that's it. I just want to show you again this part of the rocks. It's nice, right? So you're just going to be walking up here and you can see that part of the rock. That's really good. Nice exercise, nice weather. Yep. Since I was taking a lot of photos, Laura left me, so I'm here all alone walking. It's really 3:30. My GPS watch says we're around 11.9 kilometers. I don't know, because we had some detours and everything else, and I didn't start from the starting line. But yeah, I'm still walking around the rock. Oh, my tongue always gets twisted. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's a peak, and that's where you walk when you go up, but it's closed now due to forecast storm, so not nice, but anyway, I'll live. Finally, we did the walk around the rock right now, but yeah, still want to climb up, but yeah, this coming October, nobody's allowed to climb up. Yeah, it's a sacred rock, of course, but yeah, I really want to climb up, but I can't. It's so nice. It's so great to be here. So we're gonna head now to the cultural center and get something to drink, something cold to drink, and then we might go to the other mountain. No, we might head back now because we have a tour tonight at the lights, field of lights. Yeah, that's it. I was kind of spaced out a bit, but yeah, I'm a bit thirsty. I'm gonna get something to drink now. We have a nice car. We've been upgraded, so that's good. Anyway, gotta get in the car and gotta start driving now. And say hi to Laura. She's there playing. She's so busy.
Because I'm bored.
She's bored. She finished ahead. She walked ahead because I was slow. I was doing a lot of videos for myself and some selfies. You know me. You know. Anyway, let's go. Wee 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 wee. Look at that rock. Look at the rock. Look at that rock. We're traveling around the rock right now, and we're cruising at around speeds of 60 kilometers per hour. And the rock is really awesome. Yeah.
I'm actually over speeding. Thank you.
You're over speeding. Hey, all around the rock, all around the rock. It's so nice up here. And it's so nice that Laura can drive. That way I can film the rock right now. Oh yeah. There are parts out there that are sacred, and you can't just take photos. So you gotta be wary of those. And yeah.
If it's sacred or not.
Well, but when you're hiking, yep. So it's kind of bright. Let's just so yeah, that's the rock out there. It's gonna be blown out a bit because I'm somewhere in the car, but I'm gonna take videos later. Laura's currently driving, so it's fine for me to vlog right now. Yeah, look at the place. Look at that one. Okay, while waiting for the sunset, we're waiting for the sunset here at ULURU. We're waiting for the sunset. Apparently, that cloud is messing up the sunset, so it's not red anymore. Well, just stay here and chill. That's good enough. Think so. See there, that's ULURU, and if you go this way, that's Karajuta. And that's the sunset that ruined our sun. That's the cloud that ruined our sunset today. But yeah, we'll be having sunset there tomorrow. Hopefully it's gonna be good. It's gonna get a close-up of it. I think that's the closest we can go. Yeah. So that's ULURU over there. It's not red anymore. That place still is so red. If you can see, Karajuta is there. We're heading to the Field of Light tour, and I can't see myself. It's so dark.
Well, that's great because I tell you,
Leaping around, that's for sure.
In the dark, but Okay, so it's a bit bright and you can't see anything. Shit. Hey guys, I'm right now at the field of light. Can't hardly see anything, but the field of light is there. So yeah, it's nice to watch. Unfortunately, I don't have a Sony, so that's why I'm it's bad lighting. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm at the field of light here in Uluru, and I can see the lights there. Unfortunately, my camera is not a Sony, so it's a bit dark, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Look at the lights there, it's so awesome. Wait. So yeah, right now I'm at the field of light, and as you can see, it's an awesome display of lights. Apparently, my camera's not a Sony, so it's a bit dark, but you know what I mean. Like, it's nice. Oh, you saw that? I hope you saw that. There's quite a lightning over there, and yeah. But right now I'm gonna turn off my light. I had a light man beside me, a light woman beside me, because yeah, it's really dark here, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the night. So it's gonna be, whoa, wait. Okay, so what more is that I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the night. So see you later, guys. Yep. So.